Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change the administrator on Windows 10. So let's get started the video. Click the Start menu and then go to Settings. Now from here, click on Accounts. Then select Family and Other Users from the sidebar. Under Other Users, select the person you want to make an administrator. Now click on the account, then click Change Account Type. A small window will pop up. From here, click on this arrow and from the drop-down menu, change the account type for a standard user to administrator. Then click OK to confirm. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.